Pretty windy day down here at Old Port Cove, North Palm Beach, Florida. I'd like to poke fun at some of you northern guys. It is March. We're looking at this sun deck motor yacht come in. You can see he's sliding a little bit to my left because of the wind. He'll be coming in docking to the left or to the port side of the boat that I'm standing on. And he's got his fenders deployed both the port and the starboard side. You can see he's talking on the radio to the dock hand on the dock. Here we get to watch this and see how the wind will affect him. Now the boat's sliding to my right because of the wind. And he's using his twin engines to straighten it up. This is a Tollycraft. See his burgee on the bow of the boat, Tollycraft? His dinghy's got a North Carolina registration on it. Whoa, it's got a golden doodle or a labradoodle on the back deck. And he pushed against it to use it as a spring, bouncing back out a little bit. Wind seems to be giving him a bit of a fit. See, that wind doesn't feel strong, but look what it's doing to his boat.
I know. Yep.
And he's got 2 engines. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. But he's calm.
He is. There's no screaming.
Yeah, his fenders on the starboard side look to be a little bit too high for the floating dock. Beautiful. As long as he gets the stern inside that piling, he can bounce off that piling on our right-hand side. Sweet. Good job, good job. Great. Welcome to Florida in March.